गुनगुनाती गए सबा सल्ली अला खुशियाँ
Dawud Islami's publisher, Maktabatul Madina's published renowned book of Shaykh Tariqat, Amir Ahl Sunnat, Dawud Barakatuhumul Aliyah, Madani Treasure of Blessings, consisting of 420 pages, states on page 319, miracles. As soon as Allah Azza wa Jal's Noor, His light, that is Rasulullah sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wasallam, twinkled on the earth on the 12th of Rabi'un Noor, the dark clouds of oppression and disbelief disappeared. The palace of Kisra, which belonged to the Iranian king, was struck by an earthquake, and 14 of its spikes fell off. The flame, which had been continuously blazing for 1,000 years in Iran, was extinguished. The river Sava became dry, and the Kaaba began to sway, and idols fell flat on their faces.
गुनगुनाती गए सबा सल्ली अला खुशियाँ